We're starting to learn the importance of measures, and within a short span of time, you can start accumulating a lot of measures. And so I think it's best practice to actually organise your measures into various measure tables. Let's have a look at how we can do this. I'm going to switch back to Excel first of all, and I'm just going to click on a blank cell, and I'm just going to take a copy of it, Control C. Then I'm going to go back to data and choose my manage data. And then what I'm going to do is go paste, which is something that we looked at before when you can copy and paste data. But I'm copying and pasting a blank cell. But what this does is it allows me to now create a table called key product measures. And this is where I'm going to store all my product related measures is in this key product measures table. So then I simply go OK. And what happens is I end up with this key product measures tab at the bottom here. But I want to right click it and I want to hide it from the client tools. This is just nice to do this. And so I'll right click it and I'll hide it. And then what I want to do is I want to paste again. And I want to create another table called key customer measures. And all my measures that are customer related will be in this table. And I'll go OK. And I'll hide the key customer measures from the client tools. So they're there, but they're grey. I'm going to paste again and make another table for my key supplier measures. And OK. And I'm going to hide that table also from my client tools. Lastly, I'm going to paste and make some key order measures. And OK. And I'll also hide that as well from my client tools. And I'll save the Excel file. As we start creating measures very, very shortly in the next video, I will start to show you how you can then organise your measures, your key measures by product, by customer, by supplier, or by order.